Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as you can tell from what's behind me and my previous video, I'm going to show you both of the Keepalls from the new men's Spring-Summer 2022 collection. So these were highly sought and everybody was dying to get their hands on a piece from this collection in general. They are full Terylon leather. Let's just jump straight into it. Let's go. Okay, so if you watched my previous video, you know that I have the, I think they call it the rosé blue, which is pretty much like the pink. It looks purple because of the pink and the blue. But here is the green and blue one. I attached my carrot onto it just to kind of show you like a contrast of color, but look at this thing. Look close up on the side. You can see how the bottom's kind of, well, the bottom is blue. Close up of the bottom. And honestly, depending on what angle you look at, these bags look like it's a different color. Can you see what I'm saying? Depending on what angle you look at it, it looks like it's a different color. It's really cool. It's a different shade. The green gives me more of like a alien, like outer space vibe, while the pink is actually a lot better. I'm not a fan of pink, but with this pink, blue, and purple shade, this one honestly gets more compliments. Ever since I posted onto my story, people compliment this one a lot more than the green one. So this is a side-by-side comparison. Let's do a close-up of each one by its side. Okay, so these are both the same, both full Terylon leathers. Honestly, these are a little heavier than the regular canvas Keepalls, but they're not that much heavier. They feel like they could be heavy duty. The only worry I have with these bags is because it's so light in color that it might stain. But besides that, these bags are worth your money. If you're deciding between which two to get, honestly, I like the pink one better over the green one, just because I feel like the pink one just like catches your eye a little bit more. Definitely would highly suggest getting these. As you know, I have the carrot right here. So with the carrot, it kind of gives you like a really nice contrast. Like the green and the orange go so well together. But yeah, and same with the pink one. The handles kind of remind me of like an exotic piece. Curious as to why they did it like that. And it comes with the luggage tag as well. The only, I mean, I get that the interior is blue. I'm kind of confused with the blue lining just because I know the bottom of the bag is blue. But this blue lining honestly seems kind of off. I don't know, it doesn't really match the bag. But that's my opinion. I don't think the blue interior really matches the green on the outside. If they did a green interior, I think it would look a bit better. These bags are super soft. If you're wondering about the material, since it is leather, leather is soft. But this one here is soft, it's smooth. The embossing on this is really deep. Thinking about getting your hands on one of these pieces, definitely do it. It is a little more expensive just because it is leather, but it's totally worth your money. And this collection is honestly breathtaking. When I first saw it, I was like, And then when I saw it in person, I was like, okay, definitely need something from this. But yeah, these are your standard Keepall. This is a size 50, I believe. Let me do side by side again. Okay. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the handle down in the bio below. And I'll see you next video. Bye, guys.